In this tutorial, I'll show you how to deactivate Paytm FASTag via the app. Firstly, open Paytm app on your mobile device. In the search bar, type Manage FASTag and select the option that appears. Tap on Help located in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Chat with Us at the bottom of the page, and you will be presented with several options. Select queries related to updating FASTag profile. Choose I want to close my FASTag and tap the vehicle registration number from which you want to discontinue the FASTag. Tap Yes to proceed, and once again select the vehicle registration number to confirm the FASTag deactivation. Choose a reason for closing the FASTag, then tap on Proceed. On the next screen, tap Close FASTag. And finally, you'll be prompted to peel off the FASTag from your vehicle, destroy it and upload an image of the destroyed tag. Your Paytm FASTag will now be deactivated, and you can apply for a new one through another FASTag provider if needed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.